Morning, folks. This is just a follow-up on our Good Grips cold brew coffee maker. You remember we got our cold brew, our black gold yesterday after a 24-hour soak. I've already had a cup or two out of there. It's a good, dark, rich cup of coffee, no bitterness. And now this is what I did. Like I say, to the horror, I'm sure, of most coffee aficionados, I took and added 2 more cups of water to our coffee grounds and give it another 24-hour soak. And then we're going to let that drain down. And this should be just like a regular cup of coffee. We're going to just give it a little bit here. I've got a cup I've already been drinking out of. This is just, I'm going to tell you something. This is just a really good coffee. I don't do this all the time. I drink a lot of coffee, and this is a little bit of a process. But if you like the coffee, it's just like I like a really bold, full-bodied Cabernet. This makes a full-bodied cup of coffee. You can make it whatever strength you want, but you can taste the richness. You can almost taste the earth that it comes from. I can lay my head back after drinking a little bit of this coffee, and I can almost see the hill that it was grown on. So let's see what we got here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and pour just a little bit in this coffee cup here. And now let's see. This should be a regular cup of coffee. It's a little strong. Actually, I could add just a little bit of boiling water to that to heat it up, and it would be just perfect. So there you go. That's a way to stretch that and get the most out of those organic beans that you're buying. So until the next video, that's all for today. We're coming up with another video real soon. So we'll see you folks later in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Like our videos. See you later.